Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Khairul Hisham bin Jamluddin, English language instructor at UniMAP's Language and General Studies Department, Faculty of Business and Communication. I am here to introduce tabletop role-playing games as a method in the classroom to improve students' English language speaking skills. Tabletop role-playing games, or permainan lipo lara in Bahasa Melayu, are collaborative storytelling games. Players create characters, stories, and entire worlds while playing a role in a fictional world. Referees, also known as game masters, create challenges and scenarios for players, and the players take on a variety of roles within the scenarios. Players must collaborate as a group instead of compete with each other to overcome these challenges and complete the stories. Players must also speak to describe things or to declare their actions. For the players, collaborative storytelling experience like reading a novel or watching a movie, but the players are the main characters in an immersive story that they are compelled to finish satisfactorily. In the classroom, the teacher is the game master and the students are the players. First of all, the rationale. The Malaysian Education Blueprint states that our students should acquire these attributes: leadership skills, thinking skills, and language proficiency. TTRPGs can certainly help to improve the skills and abilities because players need to communicate with each other and their teacher to effectively play the game. There are a number of approaches in using TTRPGs in the classroom. One optimal method is with the teacher moderating the game for the students around a single table. A learning play session can be adapted to whatever the teacher wants the students to learn. For example, for language learning, we can teach the past, present, or future tenses if the students could be given situations to correctly describe past, present, and future actions or events. For history, students can play the roles of, for example, Laksmana, Hulu Balang, or Saudagar working together to solve challenges in 15th century Malacca. I have used TTRPGs in classes with as many as 10 students or classes with 30 students. For student involvement, students have to play their roles in the simulated environment. They need to communicate with each other and the game master, use the creativity and problem-solving skills to overcome challenges, and roll dice to see if the actions succeed or fail. If they succeed, yay. If they fail forward and the story continues. This generates excitement among the players. Additionally, they can do real-world research if the game takes place in contemporary or historical settings. They can write text reports of their character story in the scenario. Effects on student learning are immense. Students will be immersed in the narrative of the TTRPG scenarios. By collaborating to complete their mission in a continuous storyline, students improve their language skills by lowering their learner's effective filter, a hypothesis by researcher Stephen Krashen. Students who are engaged with the story and setting while forgetting they are in a classroom allow them to acquire language skills practically instead of learning them traditionally. So what I've done before, I've used TRPGs with my classes wherever possible. For example, during the week with the theme natural disaster, the students played agents who were near Fukushima in Japan just before the 2011 Tohoku earthquake. I've also been invited to conduct TTRPG sessions and webinars at institutions such as Sekolah Menengah Sains Tengku Putra in Kanga, Masa University in Bandar Sarjana Putra, and Pei Fong Middle School in Malacca. Recently, I did a 90-minute talk on TTRPGs as educational tools at the Malaysian Simulation and Gamification Conference, Masaga 2024. I'm also actively working on how to convert TTRPGs into formal teaching and learning tools that will benefit not just UniMAP students, but all levels of students in Malaysia. Thank you very much.